Plastic pollution has become a global problem, and recycling is essential to curb this waste. But what happens when our recycling efforts fall short? What if we could turn the plastic waste into something even more valuable than before? Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and developments from the world of science. Today, we will discuss the exciting advancements in recycling technology that promise to revolutionize how we manage plastic waste. Stay tuned till the end to know how you can be a part of this recycling revolution. In today's fast-paced world, it seems like plastic has become an integral part of our daily lives. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we use, plastic is everywhere. This durability and versatility, however, come at a cost to our planet. As discarded plastic accumulates in landfills and ecosystems, it poses a significant threat to wildlife and the environment. With the world producing over 275 million metric tons of plastic waste each year, it's crucial to find innovative solutions to tackle this growing problem. Recycling has long been touted as the cornerstone of plastic waste management. However, traditional mechanical recycling methods have limitations. They involve processes such as collection, sorting, cleaning, melting, drying, and pelletizing. These steps, while effective, are not without their challenges. For instance, mechanical recycling often results in a lower quality end product and is not suitable for all types of plastic. Furthermore, the process can be energy intensive and expensive, which can discourage recycling efforts. As we continue to grapple with the plastic waste crisis, it's essential to explore new possibilities in recycling. That's why we are excited to share the latest breakthrough in the field with you. Imagine a future where plastic waste is not just recycled but transformed into something even more valuable than before. Emerging technologies are making this a reality. Let's delve into some of the most promising advancements. Let's start with chemical recycling. This innovative approach breaks down plastic waste at a molecular level, converting it into valuable resources that can be used to make new plastics or fuels. It's like giving plastic waste a second life, turning trash into treasure. One of the key advantages of chemical recycling is its ability to handle a wide range of plastics, including those that are difficult to recycle mechanically. This means that more plastic waste can be diverted from landfills and incinerators, reducing the environmental impact. Moreover, the process offers flexibility in terms of the products that can be created. Chemical recycling can produce not just new plastic, but also valuable chemicals and fuels, making it an attractive option for waste management. The potential of chemical recycling is vast, and it holds the promise of transforming the way we deal with plastic waste. It's an investment in a cleaner, more sustainable future. Enzymatic and biological recycling are fascinating approaches to plastic waste management that harness the power of nature to break down plastics. They offer a promising solution by utilizing enzymes or microorganisms to digest plastics efficiently and effectively. These methods have several advantages. Firstly, they are environmentally friendly, relying on natural processes that minimize the use of harsh chemicals or high energy consumption. Secondly, they are highly efficient, capable of breaking down plastics much faster than conventional methods. Imagine a world where plastic waste is no longer a persistent pollutant, but rather a resource that can be easily broken down by natural processes. Enzymatic and biological recycling bring us closer to this vision. By harnessing the power of enzymes or microorganisms, we can develop sustainable solutions for plastic waste management, reducing the burden on landfills and ecosystems. The incredible potential of enzymatic and biological recycling is evident in recent advancements in the field. Researchers have discovered enzymes that can break down PET, a common plastic found in clothing and food packaging, at an astonishing rate of 87% in just 1 week. Other studies have shown that certain bacteria can degrade polystyrene, a plastic used in disposable cups and food containers. These breakthroughs offer a glimpse into a future where plastics are no longer a persistent pollutant, but rather a renewable resource. It's like turning waste into a valuable commodity. Moreover, enzymatic and biological recycling are not limited to traditional plastics. They also hold promise for the recycling of more complex materials such as multi-layer plastics found in packaging. These materials are typically difficult to recycle due to their composition. However, researchers are exploring innovative ways to separate the different layers and enable their biological degradation. The implications of this research are profound. If successful, it would open up new possibilities for recycling and waste management. reducing the reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing the environmental impact. Advanced sorting technologies play a crucial role in improving the efficiency and effectiveness of plastic recycling. As discarded plastic waste is collected and prepared for recycling, it undergoes a critical process known as sorting. This step involves separating different types of plastics, as well as removing any contaminants that may have been introduced during use or collection. Traditional sorting methods often rely on manual labor, which can be time-consuming and prone to human error. Additionally, these methods may not be able to handle the increasing complexity and diversity of plastic waste. However, the advent of advanced sorting technologies has revolutionized the recycling industry. These technologies harness the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate and enhance the sorting process. By utilizing computer vision and high-speed cameras, advanced sorting systems can accurately identify and categorize different types of plastics in real time. This not only increases the efficiency of sorting, but also improves the quality and purity of the recycled materials. Imagine a future where plastic waste is not just sorted, but instantly and accurately categorized. Advanced sorting technologies make this vision a reality, paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient recycling process. In conclusion, the need to address plastic pollution has never been more urgent. While traditional recycling methods have their limitations, emerging technologies such as chemical recycling, enzymatic and biological recycling, and advanced sorting techniques offer promising solutions. By embracing these innovations, investing in research and development, and promoting responsible consumption and disposal practices, we can pave the way toward a cleaner and more sustainable future. It's a collective responsibility that requires collaboration among governments, industries, researchers, and individuals. Together, we can support the future of plastic recycling and ensure that our planet's resources are preserved for generations to come. As we witness these remarkable advancements in plastic recycling, it's essential to recognize the crucial role that each of us can play. By supporting the development and implementation of these technologies, we can accelerate the transition toward a more sustainable future. One way to support these innovations is by staying informed and engaged. Keep up to date with the latest research and developments in the field of plastic recycling. Educate yourself about the various technologies and their potential impact. By understanding the options available, we can make more informed decisions as consumers and citizens. Another way to contribute is by advocating for change. Raise awareness about the importance of plastic recycling and the need to support emerging technologies. Engage with policymakers and decision makers to promote policies that encourage innovation and sustainability. Our voices can make a difference when it comes to shaping the future of plastic recycling. In addition to advocating for change, we can also support businesses and organizations that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. Choose to buy products made from recycled materials and support companies that invest in innovative recycling technologies. By doing so, we can drive demand for sustainable products and services, creating a ripple effect across industries. Furthermore, we must embrace a culture of reuse and reduce single-use plastics whenever possible. Simple changes in our daily habits, such as carrying a reusable water bottle or shopping bag, can collectively make a significant impact. By reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, we can decrease the amount of waste that enters the recycling stream and eventually ends up in landfills or polluting the environment. Finally, let us not forget the power of individual action. Every small step counts. Recycle properly, dispose of plastics responsibly, and participate in community cleanup initiatives. By taking personal responsibility for our plastic consumption and waste, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. In conclusion, the future of plastic recycling lies in our hands. By supporting emerging technologies, advocating for change, making conscious consumer choices, and taking individual action, we can drive positive change. Together, we have the power to create a world where plastic waste is not a burden, but a valuable resource for a sustainable future. So let us embrace innovation, promote responsible practices, and work together to preserve our planet for generations to come.